What is going on, my friends? Vitaly Dubin is here, and welcome to another episode of Today's in Crypto Shows. As the herd and everybody else is screaming for Bitcoin and the crypto market to go even more down, I'm going to share with you in a couple of charts why I believe we either bottomed out or we are literally a week or maximum 2 weeks before we bottom out. I'm going to show you clearly, as well as discuss some concerns that we do see right now that are different than any other of the Bitcoin cycles as well. I'll share with you some of the latest news and also how you can make amazing gains, yes, even right now in this bear market. I know that during the bear market we have less views, less people are kind of interested in crypto, a lot of people kind of giving up on crypto, but this is actually right now the best times to be buying and accumulating Bitcoin. I'll tell you who is accumulating Bitcoin right now. That's Michael Saylor with a MicroStrategy buying another $10 million worth of Bitcoin at an average price of $20,800. And we can clearly see that the whales are accumulating. The whales are buying the dip. You can see the amount of wallet addresses holding about 1,000 Bitcoin balance as the price went down a lot. Actually, the blue line is going up, up, up. So this is the fresh data from the into the block, indicating that the whales continue to accumulate despite the bearish prices. Now, we're going to see the crypto market cap today is $873 billion. Of course, it's a big movement down from where we have seen it just half a year ago. At over 2 trillion, we see massive sell-offs across a variety of different cryptocurrencies in the last 30 days, in the last 90 days. Let's take a look, first of all, at the more of a short term, what's happening right now in the charts. Let's start with the daily. You can see we are in this broadening wedge. We have this line of a support, and potentially, if we're going to go and close the daily candle below the $19,000, while the RSI is going to be higher, it will be some kind of a bullish divergence right here. And you can see right there, we might get, if we go as well low down, the $16,600 is a great level of support. But of course, we might never get there because we already bottomed out. Now, I pointed out that we actually went below this triangle. We didn't break it to the upside, we broke it to the downside, and downside we went, and the target for this one is right again retest this level of $18,000 so far. Let's see how we're going to do that. Now I want to show you historically. Let's start with the 2-day chart. The opportunity when we have on the RSI indicator right here on this level at below 25, and also on the stochastic RSI at those levels, and we are below the 200 days moving average. Those type of opportunities are very rare to be buying a Bitcoin at the most opportunistic times. For example, we had the same thing happen during the coronavirus, during the March 2020. And we have the same thing happen during the bear market bottom of December 2018, when we crashed for the RSI as low as below 20 right here. So and we were also here on the RSI. In those scenarios, only this time and this time the same right here, we are an absolutely amazing opportunity to buy Bitcoin right now at those prices. That's why Michael Saylor with MicroStrategy is buying. Now let's look at a weekly. If we combine a 20-week moving average and a 100-week moving average, we only had 2 times in the history where those 2 lines remained crossed, right? During 2015 bear market, you can see right here, when these lines crossed, we literally went 2 weeks before the bottom. This is where it crossed, somewhere here. Actually, you can argue either 1 week or 2 weeks. You can say 1 week before the bottom right here. And the next time that we had this cross was during December 2018, and you can see it actually crossed on the week of the bottom, when we actually hit the bottom. So where we are right now, these lines cross again, and this time it is right here, 1 week before this potential bottom right here. So did we already bottom at 17,700? According to this, we did already bottom. Okay, now I also told you last stream that we didn't close the week with a good momentum right here. Actually, if you take a look here on the 200 weeks moving average, we should have closed above the 200 week moving average, but we didn't. There was not enough bullishness in the market to do that, and now this week we are going down. However, how much down more can we go? Okay, are we going to go more down than this? Look at the volume, not much volume of the selling. So this combined should give roughly 80% chance that we already bottomed at $17,500. Okay, so let's see. There is not volume coming in here right now for this weekly red candle. However, one thing that we need to take a look at seriously, this is the first time on a 6 months chart that we have a bearish engulfing candle. This candle right here, red one, that closed completely below the previous one on a 6 months chart. It never happened before in the previous cycles. It never happened this when we did the bottom in January 2015. It didn't happen here during December 2018. Yeah, so we never had it like this. So this is concerning. This candle on a 6 months is a huge trend, huge giant trend, that if if this is going to be actually realized, this is the first time we see a bearish engulfing candle on a 6 months chart. Can we actually go lower? Can we actually retest the $14,000? If you look at a 6 months chart, we might do that. Okay, we might do that. However, all the other charts saying otherwise, that we already bottomed. So let's see how low will we go. But here is the truth. Most people are going to be waiting for lower prices to be jumping on Bitcoin, on Ethereum, and they will be missing the train, because the market will return, and they will miss the opportunity to buy at the most cheapest prices, because they'll be waiting for the prices to go even lower. So just pay attention to that. We had the worst quarter in 11 years as Bitcoin price plummet. We have a quarter of, loss of 56.2%. Pretty bad quarter. But look, according to the world chess champion, Garry Kasparov, so what? There is a bear market. So what? NFT market will rebound. We're going to see higher prices. So everything will come back. You might lose a bit more, but they'll also gain more, which shows that this already been integrated into the financial system. This is what the whole history of the stock market is about. It's about people making tons of money and then losing a lot of money. But right now, even without recognizing it, the financial markets have already incorporated Bitcoin, Ether, and other related currencies into the system. We achieved that. Yes. Van Eek is not giving up, refiled with SEC for spot Bitcoin ETF, and that spot Bitcoin ETF, once approved, of course, we're waiting for it for so long, can bring a lot of volume to the Bitcoin price. So let's hope that they are going to be approving this time as they refile once again. And I want to share with you about the blockchain of Ultron that is actually launched 4 weeks ago. Could it be the next layer 1 blockchain gem just like Phantom did over 200x. Can it be at least 100x from where we currently start at 1 cent? It absolutely can be. And they've partnered up with the biggest NFT and metaverse development company on the planet. It's called Devla. So they also coded for OpenSea and metaverse of Sandbox and Decentraland. We have Ninja Promo doing their marketing, Solidity Finance done their audit. So the staking and farming is coming in about a month. Lending, borrowing is coming in about 2 months. DEX is coming in about 2 weeks. Metaverse is coming in about 6 months. Gaming with the biggest lottery, $1 million every day for the prices, is also coming around 2 months. So it's the only layer 1 blockchain with native applications that is coming. None out of the blockchains, not Ethereum, not Binance Smart Chain, not Solana, not Avalanche, none of them have native apps. So it's absolutely amazing, and you can learn more about it, how you can acquire an NFT. It's called a staking hub NFT, which give you a passive reward in the first year of 0.2% a day, on top of the locking in the price for the 5 years unlocking rewards, passive rewards in ULX tokens. So can it be the next Phantom? You know, it's like it's a fork of Phantom actually. That also started 1 cent, and Phantom did more than $2 at the peak. So where Ultron will go, especially in the bull market that will be in 2 years, where Ultron will be, 100x, 200x from what it is right now. Time will tell, but I'm betting big on this project because I see a lot of excitement from people about it and how it works. So you can learn more about it at earnulxsystem.com and check it out, my webinar about everything and how it works and how you can ride the wave of this bearish market with this absolutely DeFi, I would say layer 1 complete blockchain, real technology gem that is already there. The Ultron swap is going to be launching very soon. And ulxscan.com, you can check the website. The blockchain is live. There is 102,000 transactions already on the blockchain. Pretty cool stuff. So that's what I want to share with you guys. I hope you have a fantastic end of the week, and I'll see you in the next episode of Today in